Well, I guess we're back. Playing Fears of Fathom Norwood Hitchike. We played the first episode where someone broke into my damn house. Yeah, that was a fun game. Yeah, I totally loved that. It's not like I laid in my bed that night wondering, I wonder if there's someone in my house right now. I did do that all night, though. Thank you, Fears to Fathom. But anyways, we're playing Norwood Hitchike. I have no idea what this is about, but I'm guessing we're gonna be hitchhiking. So, Fears to Fathom, Episode 2, Norwood Hitchike, June 16th. Oh boy! This happened to me when I was 19. I'm a little over 21 now. I still remember this very clearly because of how creeped out I felt. I was a bit hesitant to write this out for the internet at first, but getting it out may help, even if just a little bit. I don't know why I insist I don't know why I keep playing games where I have to read. I was one of those people that loves gaming conventions. I'd go to every convention I get the chance to, and sometimes even meet some of my online friends. Though my parents weren't always thrilled at the idea of me going on interstate drives, but a plane ticket would have been too expensive. The convention I went... Oh my god! The convention I was at went great, and was now the day to drive... I am so sorry. And it was now the day to drive back home. Here we go. But when I set off, I soon realized the traffic was horrible. I decided that I'd take the long way to avoid the traffic. It was a little over a 12-hour drive. Oh, there we go! Oh, I can drive the whip. Can I just... Oh my god! What the hell? Ah! Oh no! Alright. We'll have to reset. God. What if I died? Who did that? Alright. Hello! How's your night going? Where have you headed? He just looked at me? Alright, you creepy... Screw this guy! Conversate, mother... Okay. Alright. What up, dude? Bam. I get $10 on pump to... $10? $10? No. You head to the bridge by yourself? The bridge? The Norwich Valley Road. I mean, not a lot of people head down there this time of year. Be careful. What do you mean? For about a century now, many people have been going missing down there. And people who went looking for them never returned. Oh, no. Oh. Locals say the Norwood Valley monster has torn them up and hung them upside down on trees. Cool. This dude's weird. And one more thing. If you see a woman in white or blue gown, try to get a ride. Do not stop. Oh, I'm in an episode of Supernatural! Just step on the gas as hard as you can. Who is she? Some people say that she died in a car accident there on prom night. Some say that she seeks vengeance after she was murdered there. Regardless, she's out for blood. Whatever you do, never, ever, under any circumstance, pick up a hitchhiker. Those people out there on the road putting their thumbs out, they ain't what you think, man. They just ain't. Oh, smokes. Who are you? Who is that? Get back in your car. Yeah, get out of here. My mom asked. I had to buy something from the store. Okay. I don't know if you'll find any shop at this hour, but we're out of dog food. Can you find something for Milo? I'll pay you back. Okay. Let's go get some food for Milo. Oh my god, that was right here.
What? What generation are we in? It's like $40 for a bag of dog food now. $5 and $10 to fill up a tank?
Oh. I would kill for those to be the prices right now. You know what that just reminded me of? All over where I live, I have suicide squirrels. They basically run in front of your car, and they're like... There's this very weird thing about that night. I saw 2 big logs in the middle of the road blocking. Almost as if someone deliberately put those there. Terrifying. Okay, move that one. But this one. Why are we moving it back into position? Are we dumb? Are we dumb? It is not this hard. What is happening? I'm crashing out. Oh my god. Move the log. Put them on the other side. It is okay, I promise. I had to move. I'm trying. What do you want me to do? Why? Why? All it is moving logs. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Stop. Here's the Fathom. What are we doing? They're moved. Trust me, they're moved. Look, you can drive. Holy shite. That took way too long. Oh no! Stop it. My car's smoking. My car is smoking. And just like that, I was stranded in the middle of nowhere with no phone service. Oh, great! Oh, great! That's awesome. Yep, I love that. I'm not saying I was starting. Oh, wow, talking really fast. I have no idea what was just said. Oh my god. Throughout my life, I was told not to take rides from strangers. 10:23 p.m. Hey boy! I saw a car nearing. I'm immortal. Dog, what are we scared about? We're scared about someone killing us? A car literally just like, meow. Like, we're fine. We're immortal. We're immune. We have superpowers. We're fine. 10:43 p.m. Oh. Please! Please! Yes! Take me home! Oh. Did I break the game? Oh no. I can't go for help, there's no phone service. Do you think I could get a ride? Where are you heading off to? Hop in. Thank you so much. Hurry up, just throw it in the bag. Oh my god. It's the guy that wouldn't talk to us from the gas station. What a weirdo. Okay, this is it, right? Alright, let's see if this guy's chill or not. How you doing, man? Not talking or saying anything? Oh, okay. So, you won't tell me who you are, where you're going? Rather not say it, that's okay. I live really close from here. I was driving home. And that piece of crap broke down on me. Jason. What? My name's Jason. I'm Holly. New lore update. We're named Holly. So, where'd you get your shirt? Oh. Really lucky I had to be on this side of town tonight. I must say, you're one brave young woman. How's that? Got any clue what happened to your car back there? I think it was the battery. Are you sure? My dad's pretty old. What does he think happened to it? So what'd you think about what he told you back at the gas station? That creeped me out. Interesting. Idiot tells that to every person traveling down here. So it's true? What? The monster? Let's see. I've never seen the monster for myself, but there are some things. And I'm afraid your car breaking down could have been one of them. Hey, listen, I don't want to sound like that moron, but just remember this. You don't bother them, and you don't be bothered. Sir, what does that mean? What does that mean, sir? You know, I'm sorry for being a jerk to you before. I'm not the best with people. He apologized. This guy's W. This guy's good. I like this guy. "12:08 a.m. After a little bit of small talk, he dropped me by a motel. Apparently, they offered roadside assistance. Besides, I thought I could use a little rest. Be careful. There are all kinds of people out there," he said ominously before leaving. Oh my god. Thank you! Thank you! Alright. The man was putting out the creepiest vibes imaginable. What's up with all these dudes in striped shirts? Gal need a room to shack up for the night? $40 for single. Pay cash only.
$40?
Work. Big spender. $90. Tommy will take care of it next thing in the morning. Holy, they're picking my pockets apart. Good, I'll let Tommy know. And one last thing. Try not to wake the other guests. They may not take very nicely to it. Alright, dude. Wasn't planning on it, but... You know what? I'm throwing a rager tonight. This rickety hotel. Oh. What's going on in there, huh? Oh my god. It's all the way over here. I could have just walked across. Holly? Hey, where you at? Let me go into my room first. Can I lock it? It's nice and warm inside, except there was a smell. A type of musky smell you only get from old houses. Hot take! I love that smell. I love that smell so much. That, like, musty, like, old house smell. It's, like, comforting. Can I resend? Not expired or anything, right, Holly? Dog, where's my bed? Where's my bed? They have actual cartoons? Oh my... Tommy! Tommy! What are you doing in my room, Tommy? I'm Tommy, room service here at Roadway Inn, the finest stopover in Norwood. What were you doing in there? You know, cleaning stuff. No, I feel like... You know. Cleaning stuff. Guy at the front desk gave me this room. I'm gonna have to ask you to step outside while I make the room. I'll just get my stuff. Who is this Tommy guy? What the hell? Put the hat on your head, and then get a load of this. If you put this hat on your head, it frees up another hand! Huh! Then you don't have to make as many trips! Had a word with Joe about the situation. What is wrong with these people? Mercy, mercy, mercy. But don't you worry, it's safe here. I go get your car. And also, the room's phone is not working. If anything, just ask the front desk. We've been trying to get it fixed. We haven't been seeing enough guests lately. Hey, 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 hey. What are you laughing about? But you have a good night. Tommy's a weirdo. Tommy's a freak! Oh my god. Oh, can I knock? Get off! I'm not leaving. Dog. 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 I am terrified right now. This is horrifying. Did I ask this guy where a cup of coffee is? You have a great night's sleep. Alright, that's awesome. So where can I find some coffee? This was the door that was cracked open. Yeah, it is. What happened? Whoa! I'm drugged. I'm drugged. Oh no no no! All of the everything's reversed. He's gone! This is what you get for putting an espresso machine outside. Come on. Was drugged by a coffee. 3:18 a.m. I was sedated. Mm-hmm. Press control. I didn't press anything. Go from front desk. Open the door. I was way too trustworthy with that. Hey, it's Joe. Oh, okay. I should have died. Didn't I specifically tell you not to wake anyone up? I have complaints What are you making all those goofy noises for? Whatever it is, just keep it down, miss. Is that why your eyes are all red? Mention the coffee machine. Are you messing with me? We don't have no coffee machine around here. Right over there. Okay, okay. Here, I've had enough of you crazy goons here. For once, I thought we had a sober guest, but I guess I'm the crazy one here. Follow me. I hate my job. Joe! It's over here, Joe! Literally, you could get a cup of Joe and be named Joe right here. Right in this corner, you can be Joe with a cup of Joe. Dude, hurry up. It's gone. It's gone. Sorry, buddy. I guess I was tweaking. Where is it now? What happened? Show me the coffee machine. I'm crying. Go back to the room. I swear to God it was right here. I said go back now. There should be some medication in your room that should offer you some relief. Check the table by the TV? They just have like medication on the table? What are you talking about? I think I can hide in there. Okay. Let's pop some pills! Where's water? Get with this. There's no sink. There's no sink.
Wrong.
Guess you're drinking toilet water. Like. Guys, Mike. Oh, there is a sink. I'm just dense. Oh my God, I prove every video that I get dumber and dumber and dumber. Every video. Guys, it's just a motel. There's gonna be people walking around in a motel.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Need your help, please. Please open the door. I'm not opening that. Don't. I just need to talk to you. I swear I'm not a cop. Pretty lady, come on.
All I know is
Oh!
win.
Oh! To this day, I find it really weird that the manager inferred not to get police involved, as it would have affected Motel's reputation and let go of the situation. I believe that the town could have been home to a cult or a drug ring or possibly something even worse. Tommy arrived with the car after what felt like a year. I never went on long road trips again. Oh, I would always take airplanes. Oh! Wow. That was good. That was good. Oh, why am I yawning? That was a haymaker! Clothesline! Like he got hit with a finisher. Oh my god. That was a good episode. That had me on my toes the entire time. The entire time. So, I would love to play the next episode, but it is also $10. Keep that in mind. If you want me to play it, $10. Thank you so much for watching this video. I had a lot of fun playing this game. If you want me to play the next episode or you like what you see, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, you know. So, if you don't do those things, you know, I like to play it off as like, oh, it's an option. You're your own person.
It's not. Do it.
It's not up to me. Penny, what are you going to do to him? You got to bite your face off. I'm telling you. I've been telling you guys this for a while now. She's gonna bite your face off. I've seen her do it. So you better like, comment, and subscribe. And you know what? Just to be sure, maybe hit the bell too. Got me? Anyways, I hope everyone has a great rest of their day. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.